Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see the sticker icon on your iPhone keyboard. So if you've been trying to get the sticker icon on your iPhone keyboard and you don't see it, then let me show you how to turn it on. So on your iPhone, you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on general. Now you want to scroll down until you see keyboard. Now you want to scroll all the way down until you see stickers. So here it'll be in the emoji section. Go ahead and enable this. So you'll be able to send stickers from the emoji keyboards. So now once you enable this, go back to your message, go back to your keyboard, tap on emoji, and now you'll see the sticker icon appear. Tap on it and you'll see all the stickers. So there you go guys, that is how to add the sticker icon to your iPhone keyboard.